With years of usage, it is inevitable that batteries will lose some of their lifespan. I've had old macadamia here for 8 to 9 years, so I should probably check whether or not it's still... Apple will tell you their batteries can last 8 hours on a single charge, which might be true if you use it as a paperweight. With constant use, a healthy battery will see less than half that. So what shape is my battery in? We have to look at how many charge cycles I've used. A charge cycle is the battery depleting from 100% charge to 0. So if I start charging my battery at 53%, then I've only used 47% of that charge cycle. According to Apple, their modern batteries have 1,000 charge cycles in them before they expect the battery's maximum charge to diminish. To see my cycle count, I'm going to click the Apple icon and then hold Option and click on System Information. Once that menu's open, I'll click the Power tab and... Whoa, I'm over the hill and into the valley. That likely explains the service needed message, which indicates a problem with the battery. My battery is holding only a fraction of its original charge because of how many cycles I've used. The total charge of a battery is measured in mAh, that's milliampere hours. At its peak, my battery probably held between 5 to 7k mAh, meaning its lifespan has decreased by about 20 to 40%. Seeing as I'm only getting a few hours use out of it, that's a big difference. So if you're like me, what can you do to get the most out of your battery? How fast we burn through a full charge depends on how we use the Mac. One of the most common power draws is your display. Dimming the backlight along with your keyboard extends the battery's life more than you might think. Set your Mac to turn off the display after a few minutes in case you have to step away,
Or fall down a Twitter rabbit hole for the 5th time today.
Hard drives, dongles, mice, they all eat their share, so go acoustic if they aren't in use. Wireless connections are also a big drain. Disable Bluetooth and even your Wi-Fi if you can go without it. My final tip is to close apps you aren't using. All applications have different power needs and wants. Google Chrome is notoriously strenuous. You can check which apps use the most power with the activity monitor, but in general, you should close out of apps you aren't using. This will save your battery and performance resources. And those are some simple ways that you can save battery life on your Mac. Before you head out, be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button to show us some love here at Techable. Stay informed out there, friends.